Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Apple Pay for in-store purchases on your iPhone or Apple Watch, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable contactless payments. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone or Apple Watch supports Apple Pay. Most recent models have this feature built in. Step 2. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, which comes pre-installed on iOS devices. Step 3. Tap the plus sign icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Step 4. Choose whether to add a credit card, debit card, or prepaid card. Step 5. Use your iPhone's camera to scan your card or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 6. Provide any additional information requested, such as your billing address. Step 7. Review the terms and conditions provided by your card issuer, then tap Agree to continue. Step 8. Verify your card by entering a verification code sent via SMS or email from your card issuer or by calling your bank. Step 9. Once verified, your card will appear in the Wallet app and is ready for Apple Pay. Step 10. To make a payment in-store, hold your iPhone near the contactless reader and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Step 11. Wait for the confirmation checkmark and haptic feedback indicating the payment was successful. If using Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold your watch near the reader. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.